Okay, guess who got a new gun? This is the Glock 47. I picked this up the other day. It's been a while since I had a new pistol. I immediately added some things to it because there's certain things about a stock Glock that I don't care for very much. First off, I just popped on the Defender XL. That's one of my favorite optics right now. And I put an Apex trigger in it, which is one of my favorite triggers. That is in, well, here I'll show you how it takes the trigger to about 4 pounds, combined with a spring kit that I put in it, which is the Terran Tactical, the TTI Ultimate Connector Kit. And that's got the striker spring, it's got the plunger spring, it's got the trigger return spring also. And that's made the trigger maybe a little bit lighter. A little bit lighter than just the regular Apex, so I like that. So I'm in the process of kind of breaking it in. I shot 300 rounds today. Everything went well, no issues to report, no malfunctions. The accuracy was excellent, as to be expected from a Gen 5 Glock. Reliability is good so far. And something about this gun that I noticed pretty straight away was that it has a tendency to return to zero. Almost like the dot is just being pulled right back to center. It's just coming right back, right back, right back. One of the features of a Glock 47 as a full-size Glock, I guess they're getting rid of the Glock 17. One of the features of the 47 is that it's kind of modular. Well, it is modular in that you can take this full-size slide off and you can put a mid-size slide on it and make a shorter pistol. I mean, I really don't have any need for that, but that is there. Glock is a Glock is a Glock. They're all pretty much the same. So I'm going to do a comparison. I have a Glock 47, or I have a 47 now. I'm going to continue to shoot my 45 and make some comparisons between the two and see what's different about them. I feel something different in my hand and my finger, but I need to shoot more to figure out exactly what that is, and maybe I'll do a video comparing Glock 47 and the 45.